Well, hi guys, this is a all-in-one personal Lenovo home computer, model number F0D 500AK UK. Bought it for a friend and they want the normal hard drive upgraded to a SSD drive. So I'm going to have to take it apart, and while I do so, I just want to show you how you open it and where the SSD drive and the RAM and things are. So you can get a computer like this and make it into a supercomputer with those couple of changes. So let's do this. So we're going to open this, guys, and to open this we're going to get rid of this cover, and then it's just like a laptop all around. The bezel, plastic, take it off. They've got a security lock thing here. It's quite clever. When you've opened most of it, that releases the last bit here, which is connected somehow, I think, to the power switch here. And for this next part, you're going to need a really thin, find the thinnest piece of metal knife, something like this, medium size Phillips screwdriver. I've got another small flat screwdriver as well here. So here we go. First, what you're going to do is you want to push this part up. It's already coming off, and then using your flat little thin screwdriver, you just want to prise that part off. So that brings this cover off, and then get your fingers in there and get that off, and that just comes off like that. Using your medium Phillips, take these 4 screws off. Now, what I found is, if you start, there's the power button. If you start on this corner, I found it to be the easiest. Now, if you just separate that and get your thin blade and just prise it in there. There we are. And then just slowly prise it all the way. Can you see? And just work your way all the way around to that corner. So when you got it to here, what you're going to do is work on this screw here. You lift this rubber off like so, and using your Phillips, you just want to wiggle it a little bit, and at the same time you want to pull this, and there, just come away. Okay, there you go. And just release this. Now, before you get too carried away with yanking it off, there's 2 ribbons. See, the ribbons are here. So you're gonna lift it this way. They've got a bit of give in the ribbon there, and I'll show you. There we are. Alright, so just be careful here, because you don't want to damage those ribbons. They're holding that. There's 1 ribbon there. So actually you got to, this first one, white one, you want to grab on either side and you know, pull that off like that. This one is much easier. Pull it straight off. Okay, so now put it back down. There you go. You've separated. There's your screen, stand, everything. Put that to one side. Now, surprise, surprise. I thought the hard drive is going to be a 2.5-inch laptop hard drive, but it's not. It's a 3.5. It's held with a case here, 4 screws, and SATA connection there. What else have we got? If you want to upgrade the RAM, guys, there's an empty slot here. So there's your RAM. To open the hard drive, 4 screws here. Now, because I'm going to put in a SSD drive, so you just lift that straight out. There. Take that tape off at the bottom. Take this tape off here, and then using your flat blade or flat screwdriver, just push it off. There you go. Oh, it's a Western Digital Blue, which is a cheap budget hard drive. It would have been if it was better if it was a red or a black one. there you are. So if you're going to put SSD drive in there, guys, you're going to need a caddy to hold your SSD drive in here and then put it back in, because you want something to hold it. It's a converter to change the 3.5 inch to a 2.5 inch. So that's how you get in and change the hard drive and upgrade your RAM. So to take this hard drive out, guys, 4 screws there, take them off, and then the whole hard drive will just pull out of this protective case and holder. So we've put our new SSD drive in there. Now we're going to put this, I'm just going to show you quickly how to put it back together. Actually, when you got it 90 degrees up like that, it does fit. And remember which way around it was. I remember this white tab, it was on the right hand side, so you just line it up, and I believe that is in. And then for the other cable, and this one, the tape was on the top, but lift this up because it doesn't quite reach, and just put it in. Get the tape back down, and now just feed that through carefully. There we are. Now you watch how easy this is. Just line it up and then just work your way around. There we are. That's it, guys. The hard drive from a normal spin drive to a SSD drive. And one thing, I'm just looking down for any gaps. Make sure everything is slotted in. Whenever I can, I try and open things up and show you guys. Next part to do is put those 4 screws on. I prefer to put this piece on first and then this piece last. Slide it in. There you go. Ready to boot it up, and let's see what it's like. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, drop us a comment. All the best. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.